In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Zoom to Jotform. This tutorial is perfect if you are looking to seamlessly integrate your Zoom meetings with your Jotform submissions, making your workflow more efficient and streamlined. First, let's start by heading over to jotform.com. This is the platform where you'll be integrating Zoom, so make sure you're logged in, as it's always a good idea to double check that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts for different purposes. Once you're on Jotform, you'll need to select the form you want to edit. This could be any form you've already created, or you might decide to create a new one specifically for this integration. After selecting the form, click on the Edit Form button. This will bring up the Form Builder interface where you can modify various aspects of your form, including settings, themes, and integrations. Now, direct your attention to the top of the page and click on the Settings tab. Jotform settings allow you to customize how your form behaves and interacts with other platforms. This is where the magic happens for integrations. Next, within the Settings tab, you'll see an option labeled Integrations. Click on this to open up a world of connectivity possibilities. Jotform offers numerous integrations with various apps, but today our focus is on Zoom. In the search bar at the top of the integrations page, type in Zoom. This will filter out the other options and bring Zoom to the forefront, making it easy for you to find. Once Zoom appears in the list, go ahead and click on it. You'll now be prompted to choose an action. This step is crucial because it determines how Zoom will interact with your form. For example, you might want to create a meeting or register attendees directly through the form. After you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. The next step is to authenticate your Zoom account. Click on the Authenticate button, and you'll be redirected to a Zoom login page. If you're not already logged in, enter your Zoom credentials. This step is important because it allows Jotform to access your Zoom account and perform the actions you've specified. Once authenticated, you can finalize the integration by adjusting any additional settings or options that appear. These might include selecting specific fields that correspond with Zoom's requirements, such as name or email address fields that would be used to register participants. And there you have it. You've successfully linked Zoom to Jotform. This integration can save you a lot of time, especially if you frequently schedule Zoom meetings through your forms. It allows for a more dynamic connection between your data collection and your virtual meetings, enhancing the overall efficiency of your processes. Remember, whenever you're working with integrations, it's always a good idea to test everything. Submit a test form to ensure that the Zoom action triggers as expected, and verify that the integration is working smoothly. This step helps you catch any potential issues before they affect your actual workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Jotform to its fullest potential.